Hi friends! We just had an amazing Memorial Day barbecue and hosted a bunch of friends. Timothy made amazing pulled pork. I pulled together some incredible, if I do say so myself, coleslaw and cornbread and salads and beans. But stupid me, when I go to clean up, I decide to just kind of throw the extra food down the disposal over
now
here.
Got a nice clog.
Yeah, that was genius. I just thought that maybe a disposal could actually eat up some cabbage and stuff, but I'm wrong. So first thing we're gonna do is try the plunger.
So I've picked out this little sink plunger, very different than the toilet plunger. The shape is actually different. So you want to make a nice seal. It needs to be flat, so it makes a nice seal around the bottom of your sink. And then you also want to make sure you have a rag to cover if you have two sinks here to cover it up so that the air and water doesn't push out from one end. So what you want to do is pop in here on one end, cup a little water in there so it's mostly pushing water and not air. You should hear things kind of moving in there, and hopefully this is enough to clear it.
We're getting a good workout. It's a good look.
And then lid off. And hopefully it should start draining. If it doesn't, maybe try the other end.
Drain.
And that happens.
Okay.
It's okay. Start over again.
It's okay.
Still not draining, so let's try again.
Oh man, how many times did you try?
Do this for a few minutes. Then you have to.
Oh my gosh, whoa.
So you might want to wear some glasses, gloves, which I'm not doing. The plunger is not working. So next one you need to do is check out the Ptrap, which is under the sink. So the Ptrap is this U-shaped piece under here. There's a little bit of water in here, and what it does is it prevents gases from coming back up into your sink, but it also helps sediment and stuff can get stuck in there. So we have to remove this, see if there's anything there, and then hopefully that will clear the drain.
Okay, so not looking good, but here we go. He's gonna open up the Ptrap.
So we'll see what's in there. Could be a lot of junk, coleslaw. I imagine maybe some coffee grounds. Who knows? We've never opened this up since we moved in. So.
Exciting.
Yeah. So these are actually kind of nice. Little collars that you can twist off. Oh, make sure you have a bucket under here.
Yeah. Starting to flow. That's all clean water though, right? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Explosion.
Okay. That was backed up.
Ew. Oh, so what? Now you just clean that and then put it back on?
Looks like it's clear.
Oh,
So let's see if
darn.
anything is up here and it'll actually run water. So all that came out.
Okay,
Water
yeah.
running straight through. There's nothing there. This water's running straight through.
Oh man.
There's nothing there.
So is that kind of bad news because it's more
Nothing is running
complicated?
here. Well, let's see what's in here.
That's clean, yeah.
So now maybe there's a blockage back behind the wall.
What?
So we can take a snake and see if we can clear that.
Exciting! Now we need to snake it. I feel like the biggest idiot, and the worst part, I knew it wouldn't work. I just thought I was in a hurry, and why not try to throw a bunch of gunk down my disposal? Why? Ugh. We pulled out the drain snake.
So
how does this work?
pretty simple. You release this button here. Feed this into the pipe that goes into the wall, and then when you reach the blockage, turn this counterclockwise and it should start to grab it and then pull it back out. And then this, you can attach it to a drill if you want more power. So some of these come with a drill attached, but this one you can use whatever drill you have. So let's see if it's...
So if it's way too tough to turn yourself or something?
Yeah,
or
it
what?
just makes it faster. Yeah,
Okay. Wait, and so question. Our dishwasher has been a little funky.
So hopefully that'll clear up.
Is that
It's all
possible?
connected here. So I don't know where this is gonna end up, but hopefully it will take care of that mess as well.
Holy cow.
Let's try it.
Okay. So you'll feel when it just hits
Yep.
the end.
Just
Okay.
try it. And then it's loosened up a little bit and got past. So now I can. This is 25 feet. That might have been it, but. So now I want to just pull it back in. And hopefully that was. So I got through one thing. I'm gonna try it again and see how far I can go with this, and see if there's any more blockages further back up here. No.
Oh, weird, because before it went like 25 feet.
Well, before, yeah, sorry. Let's try this. Yeah, move it a little bit. I should have worn gloves. It's really dirty.
So the blockages don't come out necessarily. They're just breaking up
Yeah,
and
just
going to be
breaking
put
it up.
back down. Okay. In the bathroom, I remember seeing a bunch of hair come out when we did this, so.
Yeah. We'll see what happens. That's not. So I'm just gonna pull it back, and then we'll hook it up again and see if that cleared everything.
Okay.
Put this back on.
It's kind of anticlimactic. I expected a giant hunk of junk to come out, but
Well, hopefully that junk is broken up now, and it will just go down the drain. I don't know. I'm gonna turn it on right now and see.
that's good. Let's try. All right, the moment of truth. Is it working?
I think we have success.
Yay, success. No need to call a plumber, just call Timothy. Thank you, babe.
Raining. Okay.
Woo!